All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Here, 20 minutes back on the board. Timbo needs some sort of comeback. What do you think?
One shift at a time. It all starts with one goal.
One shift at a time. I like that. I
Play
like
proper
that.
hockey.
Boys gonna get things going here. Gonna get things going. Don't know who's out. Everybody waiting.
One more.
All right.
Yeah.
They're pumped up here. Pumped up. Gotta blow the horn here. Gotta blow the horn. Pumped up here. Pumped up. That's perfect. That's perfect. Get things going here. Roland's got this in the corner here. Schrader steals it away from him. He goes rink wide. Got a high stick on the play. Nope, no high stick. Everything good. Neufeld. Dumps it in. Radley picks this up. Radley, nope. Hit by Thiessen. Radley gets hit there. He's good though. Schrader, he's controlling the play here. Ziegler's got this. He's gonna go first skate. Look, how's she going? Menard? Nope, no go on Menard. That's good. Robidoux, Chernaby, Fairzy. Need a quick one here, Timbo. Need a quick one. Fontaine throws it up. Puck gets thrown out to Fairzy. Fairzy's going to turn up here. Turn up ice. To Levac. Levac. Shot. That one had eyes. That one had eyes. Menard. Good save there. Robidoux here. Robidoux, nope. Still banging away. Chernaby. Levac dumps it in. Does get out. Buchert's got this. Dirksen. Buchert's got this. Buchert goes rink white to Fontaine. Robidoux goes. Weens makes that save. All right, Roland comes out. Puck stays in.
Backdoor.
Coulomb. Vermette. Vermette can't get it up. Puck's going to stay in deep here. 18:06 left in the third period, sorry. $18.05 left here, third period. Vermette, great win. Puck does get out. Need to keep control of that puck. Great win there by Vermette, but we just give it right back to the Blizzard. Vermette's got this. Vermette dumps to Neufeld. Coulomb hits. Radley picks this up. Schrader throws it, yeah. Vermette scores! There it is! Vermette! 5-3, here we go. Bingo, bango, back in the net. Vermette's got that one. Here we go, 17-31, 5-3. Boys are making a comeback here. They're going to give it a go. Vermette with a great follow-up there, and bingo bango back at the net. Here we go. Announcers are talking again. Everybody's happy. Let's go. A little comeback here, boys. Ziegler's got this. Ziegler. Emery, I mean. Sorry about that. Puck. High stick. High stick. High stick. High stick. No goal. Not sure why we're cheering, Kimball. It was a blatant high stick.
Yeah.
I think my dad in St. Anne saw that high stick. Lonnie doing Lonnie things. He's very good at this. This is his specialty. He did it all his hockey career with the Mitchell Mohawks there. Yeah, he tries to go with the big line again. He can't. The referee's denied. That's good. Neufeld gets knocked off the puck there. Roland, nope. Neufeld hits Roland. Yeah, still got it. Good play. Roland's got this. Tries to throw it in front. No goal. Sorry about that corner, guys. There we got a lot of people in the way here today. That's okay. That's no problem. We can handle it. Radley keeps that in. Good play by Radley. Shot on net. 5-3 here. Jets getting a bit of momentum. We like it. Radley's got this. Dirkson's got this. Backdoor. Vermette's got this. Vermette, little move. Little how's she going? Here it is. Rolling. Great save by Menard. Comes up big there, Menard. I like that. Save big money at Menard's. Right there. 16:05 left in this third period. Time will be our enemy here. Ginter, he dumps this in. Captain Chernaby. Levac thinks twice. Ginter's got to go here. Yeah, he does. There it is. There it is. Tomo's going to go one-on-one against Mc... Here he comes. Shot. Great block there. Great block by 88. Puck does get out. No. Ginter just throws it back in. No ice. No ice. D could have got that. Good call here. Good call. Goes rink wide. Dirkson's got this. Dirksen shot. Save by Lee. Great save by Lee. Houston comes in. All right. 15:24 left here. 5-3 hockey game. Vermette's going to dig in here. Coulomb doesn't get it out. Schrader scores. Nice shot. Schrader. Wilders. All right. Puck's got to get out. Puck's got to get out. Simple as that. All right, here we go. Vermette. Good job. Levac pinched him off. Neufeld. Dump in. Puck does get dumped in. We're going to have delayed offside here. We're going to regroup here. There it is. Great play by Neufeld. Neufeld, little how's she going? Buchert. Great save. 6-3 now for the Blizzard here. Jets get a bit of momentum. Buchert goes around Levac. Buchert still got it. Chipped off the puck. Does stay in. Levac's got this. To Roland. Roland loses that. Puck gets dumped in. Brody. Levac against Zubov. He hits him high. Nope. Emery takes that hit. Bersey can't get it in deep. Robidoux. Bersey to Robidoux. Robidoux's got it. He's going to dump. Icing on that play. They've been waving that off all game, but all right. $13:28 left here. Good move on Thiessen. Comes in, shot. Bersey working the corner here. Comes up to Ziegler. No traffic though. Roland can't handle that. Back to Roland. Roland's got this. He's gonna dump on net. Scores! In the net! Hat trick for Roland! Hat trick for Roland! There it is! 13 minutes left. Right back to square one. 6-4. Rolling down the river. Rolling down the river. All right, Roland with the Hattie. There it is. Let's see how things go here. Let's see how things go. Now, icing on that play. All right, 6-4 here, 6-4 here.
All the way?
Great work by Captain Chernaby. He shoots. Oh, great save. Great work by Captain there. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. All right. Let's see how this goes here. Let's see how this goes. Robidoux. Hit on Ginter. Shot from the point. Saved by Wing. I like it. I like it. Saved by Wing. Okay, Levac, Radley come out here. Vermette and Neufeld and rolling right back out. I like that. Throw him right back out. Vermette. Hawk doesn't get out. Rolling. Radley. He goes to Levac. Levac back to Radley. Good. No, can't get by Reimer there. Can't get by Reimer. Puck does. Schrader cuts to the middle. Shot off Radley. Neufeld takes a high hit there, no call. Puck gets slapped out. Shot. Ooh, just about. Roland's got to go here. He doesn't. Levac's got to go. He does. It's pucks out at least. Pucks out. A lot of pressure from this line. Radley's going to pick this up. He's going to chip it out. Vermette can't pick that up. Levac's going to retrieve. He's going to wrap to Neufeld. Neufeld going to go in the middle to Vermette. Vermette to Roland behind him. Puck does get deep now. 11 minutes left. Roland's got to get back in this play here. It gets thrown out. Roland's going to go here. Roland's going to go. Unger takes a high hit. Another high hit. No call. No call once again. Boom. Puck's got to get out here. Nope. Puck stays in. Neufeld chips it out. He's going to go for a change. Fairzy going to put a bit of pressure on there. Buchert's got this. Captain Buchert. Boom. Gets hit. Verschuk. Middle. Just about 10:06 left here. Still 6-4 for the Blizzard here. Captain Chernaby. Ziegler on this. Shot. Just outside. Ginter dumps it in. .9:17 left here. Thiessen throws it in deep. Verschuk picks it up. Ginter's got it. He goes up to Roland. Roland's got it. Great move on Emerson. Can't get by though. High stick on Roland. No call. Neufeld banging it away. There it is. No call. .8:40 left. 6-4. Vermette wins it back to Roland. Shot. Levac's got to go here. He does. He gets taken off the puck. 1-on-1. Schrader. Good play. Puck does get out. Gets thrown right back in though. Levac's going to pick this up. Oh. Roland's going to pick this up. Neufeld's going to pick this up. Shot. There it is. Oh, he fanned on it. There it is. Nope. Puck gets in deep. We're going to have to chase here. 7:37 left here. Puck goes rink wide. Emery's got this. not sure who's down there, Timbo.
I have no clue.
I don't know. I didn't see that. We got a lot of people in front of us here. Trying our best here. Okay. Okay. Robidoo? Yeah, I think it's Robidoo. Is it? Robidoo? He's the only one not on the bench there that I could see. Okay. He's good. He's good. Skating off on his own steam. That's it. All right, here we go. 6-4. I don't think any calls, eh?
I don't think so.
I think he blew it down because he was hurt. All right, no call on the play. No call on the play. Sorry about that, guys. We got lots of tall guys here today in our way here. Euchre's got it. Euchre, oh, just rings it off the crossbar. Great block by Radley there. Neufeld's going to take off here. Roland's got this. Great move here. To Ziegler. Ziegler shot. Does get it through. It's a good shot. Back to Ziegler. Ziegler shot through again. Nope. Vermette's got to be hard on that puck. Got to be hard on that puck. Radley's going down. T-Sin. 6-4, 6:32 left. 6-4 Blizzard here. Fans go nuts there. A little reverse. Levac's got this. He's going to go. Ginter to Vermette. Nobody wants that one there. Ooh, that one almost went in there. All right. .607 left here, third period. 6-4 Blizzard. Jets trying hard to make a comeback here. Need one quickly here. Rink wide. Good play by Ginter there. Comeau's got this. Comeau, chip. We got icing here. T-Sin digging in. Puck gets thrown out. Shot. Levac gets out of that way. Puck, nope. Yeah, does chip up. Fairzy's got to get on his horse here. I want to beat, nope. Hits him. Puck gets thrown out here. Neufeld comes in. Levac's got this. Little chip out. Nope. Got to be hard. Yeah, good play by Fairzy there. Oh, good hit by Neufeld. Caught him on the other way. Levac getting on his horse. Shot from the outside. Neufeld's got this. Newfie cut it in. Shot. Ooh. Just outside. 5:03 left here. 6-4. Jets need something here. Puck gets thrown around. Roland takes a hit there. Neufeld keeps it in, up the middle. No, puck does come out. Ziegler gets to keep it in. Neufeld working hard. Good job by Neufeld there, Ryan. Puck gets thrown out, right to... No call, no call, no call. Radley's got this. Puck gets thrown around on the Rads. Buchert, Captain Buchert, he's got this. Shot, deflected. Dirksen hit there. Vermette tired at the end of a shift here. With Roland. Roland, little move. Verchuk hook, no call. Goes for the hit. Roland not happy with that. Vermette gets knocked down. Puck gets in. Ziegler keeps it in. Vermette's got this. Back to Roland. Roland takes another cross check by Verchuk. No call. No icing on that play. Same play as Robidoux, but no icing. It's okay. Puck gets thrown in the middle. We got 3:35. Time is our enemy here. Time is our enemy. Chernaby hits Schrader. Shot gets thrown around. Captain Chernaby tired there on the end of a shift. Oh, should have been too many. No call. Bearsy. Radley's got this. Radley. Neufeld picks this up. Neufeld goes in the middle to Fairzy. Fairzy shot. Saved by Menard. They're gonna change here. All right, hands down, they're gonna change. It's okay. Novak's got this. Oh, baby, oh. Neufeld's got this. 2:14 left here. Neufeld still going. Still got it. Vermette. Puck gets thrown in. Verchuk. He's going to dunk. Neufeld's going to keep this in. He keeps it in. Puck's going to get thrown around. Rad's going to keep this in. Roland. Off the boards. Over to Levac. Jumps over Neufeld. Neufeld really tired here. You could tell he's tired. $1.29 left here. $1.29. Radley's got this. He's going to go up. Como can't handle it. Puck gets thrown out. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Rubadoo's got this. All right. All right. Ziegler's got this. 50 seconds left. Throws it in front. Fairzy almost has that. Ziegler a little housey going there. Roll in shot, safe. 37 seconds left, still 6-4. There it is. (7-4) here. Well, Timbo,
And that should do it.
we got a game tomorrow.
We got a game tomorrow.
Mitchell Mohawks. We'll be in Mitchell Mohawk territory. All right, fast regroup here for tomorrow. Get the boys to bed here, get some fluids in them. All right, all right. Now he's got one. Now he's got one. All right. Bit of last minute shenanigans here before tomorrow. All right. Great play by Fairzy to get it out here. That's going to do it here. Okay, Timbo. We'll see. We'll see you tomorrow again.
Yeah, tomorrow again.
Tomorrow it is. Yeah, we're out.
Over now.